Before you begin, remove the access panel, optical drive, front bezel, and rotate open or remove the storage drive tray. Removal. Disconnect the main power cables from the system board. Remove the cables from the cable guides on the chassis and system board. Remove the 3 Torx T15 screws securing the power supply to the chassis. Press the release tab and slide the power supply back away from the chassis. Lift the power supply out of the chassis. Replacement. Lower the power supply into the chassis and slide it into place. Replace the 3 Torx T15 screws that secure the power supply to the back of the chassis. Route the main power cables into the cable guides on the chassis and system board. Reconnect the power cables to the system board.